Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to edit this picture using the Lightroom Mobile App. So, let's start editing. First, go to Light, bring the exposure -0.10, contrast to +20. Highlights to -10. Shadows and whites to +20. Finally, blacks to +10. Now go to Curve. I have copied the previous curve settings. And done. Next go to Color. Bring the temperature +6. Vibrance to +30. Finally, saturation to -10. Now go to Color Grading. Bring the hue 100, saturation 8, and luminance 20, for shadows. Bring the hue 165, saturation 20, and luminance 30, for midtones. Bring the hue 80, and saturation 20, for highlights. Blending to +80. Finally, bring the balance -100. And done. Now go to Color Mix. First go to Red, saturation to +20, and luminance to +10. Next go to Orange, hue to -10, saturation to -10, and luminance to +20. Next go to Yellow, bring the saturation -60. Next go to Green, bring the saturation -70. Next go to Aqua, bring the saturation -70. Finally go to Blue, saturation to -70. And done. Now go to Effects. Bring the clarity +10. Days to +20. Bring the vignette -10, and midpoint to 0. Finally, feather to +100. Now go to Profiles. Select the Vintage 5. Finally go to Details. Bring the sharpening +10. Noise reductions and color noise reductions to +10. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye guys.